We went to Paris. It was my first time in Paris actually, and I was so glad I did it because it was always in my dreams to go to Paris.
Two teams of 3 creative people each will start in Berlin and travel in opposite directions. One team goes east, the other one goes west. They want to make it to the other side of the world, Japan, only by traveling from one friend to another.
Bonjour! So we are in Paris. I'm very excited that we're in Paris because I love Paris. We are going to see our host, Pipa. She should live somewhere here. Actually, wherever we're going, there are so many stairs. Hello? Hi! Hi! Nice to meet you. Hi, everyone. Hi.
How are you?
Good.
No idea that you would come today.
Oh no!
Because I just talked with Alex yesterday and he was
no.
I was like, okay, let me know when they arrive. And I was like, okay. And I was like, okay, I just have to figure out because last week another person was sleeping on my couch.
Yeah.
Well, I'm Pipa and I live in Paris. I have 24 years old and I have been studying psychology, working with child with autism.
This is your room.
This is my room. Yeah, so it's not so much privacy.
This is your entire privacy. So if you have someone over, which is shared.
Yeah. But
I love that.
Yeah, the only thing is
This is really like a shared apartment. You share every experience. Pipa is an amazing person. We spent the first evening together. We went with her to a art exhibition at a squat.
This is a typical Parisian building. It's not close, but it's not far.
Moulin Rouge?
Explain what is it? He's doing a documentary.
Okay, you're doing a documentary, cool.
And you have to explain a little bit the concept of the place.
It's a squat, like artistic squat, and we are here since 4 months and a half. Today is our first exhibition. It's a panic concept from all the people that are living here. Like we are 17 people living here.
Panos didn't feel really well. He's one of these people who is very dramatic. So he was like telling us all the time that he's dying. Like every 2 minutes, he was like, "Oh my God, I'm dying." He felt sick. I'm sure he felt sick. I think he exaggerated because he was still drinking wine.
We are doing something really incredible. We are scootering around the town and we are loving our life. Yvonne, how are you feeling?
I'm
You should
feeling
speak.
a little bit scared, but I have a good insurance at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, you learn a lot when you travel together. Panos is really slow. When he has to pack his stuff, I don't know what he does. It just takes hours.
I'm just gonna wear this and... What should I wear? Guys, she's worse than me, but you don't see this. She just takes videos on the bad timings.
Sometimes I'm too slow for her somehow, so somehow I try to do it, but because she's faster, I don't know why, she does it, and then it's my fault.
It's challenging.
It's so challenging.
It's kind of a forced marriage. Like we are spending 24/7 together, Panos and I.
We need to get a train, we need to take a carpooling, like blah blah car, we need to get buses, we need to go there, we need to go there, we need to go there, we need to be right on time. So that's the most challenging thing for me until now, because it's like every time being on point and like having the best solution, and it's like, oh.
I know I have to become more patient.
So today we are gonna be extras, me and Yvonne, at the music video.
I don't know, we are getting dressed a bit and yeah, you look fantastic.
Ensuite on fait comme ça, et là il y a tous les gens qui sont comme ça, préparés comme ça.
It's still the same scene, but third attempt.
So how was it? Do you become famous now?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be an actor in Hollywood now because I was in a music video.
I don't know when it's gonna be on, but it was like really great experience. It was my first time being in a music video. It was cool to see that, and like just random things happening just because of this Yuujou traveling.
Okay, I sent you to Guillaume Seneschal. I take the name. Who is living in Lyon. You're okay?
Thank you.
Have a big adventure.
Thank you. And come to Zurich.
Yes, promise.
Bye bye.
We are in Budapest. We set out from Vienna in the morning, from Sebastian's, and we are going to meet Miki in the afternoon. Just arrived in the station closest to his house. Let's see how it goes.
It's a hug.
Hello. Hi, hello there.
Good to meet you. My name is Miklos Görög. It's a Miki shorter version, and I make art and music festivals in Hungary.
Oh, the poor guy, he chose to sleep on the floor on the mattress. So he was like a perfect host. In India we would say Aditi Devo Bhava, like the guest is like God. And it was impressive.
He had already told everybody about the project, and so they were all super excited to be part of it, and really just enthusiastic about it. So it was very, like, I don't know, warm, just like genuine welcome. They were all so happy to have us, which is, I don't know, every time it surprises me that people are willing to just open up their doors for us and be like, yeah, sleep here for the whole week, and like they want us to stay as long as possible. So it's really, really cool.
I live here for 5 years now. I live together with 3 really good friends of mine. So it's a buzzing living community, I think, what we have here. They are all musicians, and that's why all other musicians are always hanging out here as well.
They rotate rooms every 3 months because one room that we're in right now is huge and massive, so that's why we're able to stay here with Miki, and it fits all of us. 2 of the rooms are kind of normal size, and then 1 is tiny. So they rotate every 3 months so that everybody kind of gets a fair share.
This thing, I really like these too. Like for me, Easter is my favorite holiday, and I have one really good friend or 2, and their mother is a ceramic person. She's like 70 years old. She had like 7 children, blah blah blah. Super cool old hippie ceramic woman, and she made everybody a personal small ceramic sculpture. I think right now for me in Hungary, Budapest is the only place where I could live. This city is, I think, in a really lucky period because we have the chance to make something really great. Like a lot of people are exploring Budapest for the first time or start to come back, and I think it's a great opportunity for the things that I do. I hope I can show my city to a lot of people.
We are at Dura Kurt, where Miki works, and we're waiting for him. No.
I have my journey, so I do this too.
Because it's Canada.
The Dura Kurt is currently Like a festival of its own, perhaps. It's a restaurant and a bar and a party hall where musical events happen every day.
How do I feel? That is a interesting one. So as you guys know, like, it's a little rocky still, and so we had some really good talks, and then when we did the filmed one, it was completely different, and so it was a little, I don't know, I was taken back a little bit, just because I don't know, we hadn't heard any of this and have been trying and asking him, like, what can we do, what's going on, trying to bring him in, and then everything's been okay, it's been okay, and then all of a sudden it wasn't. So that was a little just shocking.
We had a very strange discussion yesterday, and it looks like a friggin' reality show. I hate myself for doing that.
Well, we still have strugglings, but that doesn't disappear overnight, of course. So we just speak a different language. That's it. We yeah, we just speak a different language. Even though it's both English, we do not understand each other. At least I don't understand him. I don't.
It feels strange. It feels very, very strange and shallow.
I don't know, but it's a new experience, so it is what it is. How do I feel? A lot better. Things have been really, really good the past couple days. We've had a lot more fun, I think, and a lot more understanding of each other. So I think it's been going pretty great. One of the things when talking with my mom, she came up with was just try and like get a very solid quality time, no phones, no anything. And so we had this dinner, and I mean, we ended up talking for like 4 or 5 hours. I feel like we had so much more of an understanding about each other, and John's like an amazing guy. I love it. Just like we had to get him off his phone a little bit, and for him to really, like, I don't know, be present in the situation. And but I think it showed so much potential for where this group can go in the 100 days, and so I'm really, really excited.
Μου το έχεις πει πολλές φορές ότι δεν μ' αγαπούσες. Συγγνώμη.
And we got the amazing news today that Chad is finally joining us. I'm really excited that he is with us because it's gonna change so much, and yeah, finally we are a team.
Amazing. Like, it's been about 20 days that he's not with us, and he should be with us for 100 days, and now he's gonna be for 80 days. And I really want to meet him, I really want to spend time with him, I really want to travel with him, because he's like in the team and he has to do this and he has to feel this, so I'm really excited about this.
Chad, we are coming.
Chad, we are coming to you with a scooter. I hope you are there. It's downstairs? Okay, I'm coming.
I'm gonna find him here.
This is like a tourist. Hi, man. Good? Yeah, it's pretty nice, eh? Yeah, how has guys found it quite easy? Yeah. Try me, like, no one will take care with a scooter just to come in time. Oh, nice. Yeah, man.
Now it like feels like the Yuujou, how it should be, and we are a team now.
It is a bummer that I got to miss out those 21 days, but just coming in is almost literally like, literally just fitted in. So yeah, it was cool. So I'm pretty pumped and really excited to see how this turns out.